frustrated and can't sleep? Well, I have some things that might help you go back to sleep. My name is Dr. Kimberly Leupold, and here are some ideas for sleep. So a few things that I have found helpful for myself and for patients when you can't sleep at night or are having issues with sleep are, first and foremost, I love binaural beats. Listening to binaural beats as you fall asleep at night can really kind of help that sympathetic, that fight or flight, that up and atom part of your central nervous system switch into parasympathetic nervous system and calm down and let your autonomic nervous system start taking over. So I don't 100% know the science behind binaural beats, but as much as I know, it has kind of a hertz with each tone that impacts your energy, impacts your body, impacts the way your body is functioning in a manner that helps the body go back into that parasympathetic nervous system, which then allows you to be able to go back to sleep in an easier way. Another thing is that you can do math in your brain. So when you are working with numbers, it tends to shut off the part of your brain that worries, that overthinks, that is reliving the different parts of your day, because your brain has a hard time processing all those emotions and thoughts while processing numbers. So counting backwards from 100 or doing simple multiplication, simple addition in your brain, many times what will happen is you'll eventually fall asleep while you're working with those problems and working with those numbers. One other thing that's one of my most favorite things to do if a patient can't sleep well, or if I can't sleep well, is tightening parts of your body and then relaxing. Tightening parts of your body and then relaxing. So for example, you're laying in bed and you scrunch up your face and then you relax it. You hold it scrunched for about 5 seconds, you count to 5, and then you relax it. And then you tighten up your neck and then you relax it. And you tighten up your arms and then relax. And you go all throughout your entire body. Many times you'll find you fall asleep before you get to the end. But if you don't, then you can repeat it. And maybe the next time you count to 7, tightening, and count to 7, relaxing. So let us know if any of these techniques helped, or if you have other techniques that you've done that are very helpful if you're having a hard time sleeping.